So this morning I thought I would try a new French toast recipe. So I'm going to top it with the bog cranberry sauce, and I have some Olivier's white sourdough because French toast is beautiful on sourdough. Some Earth's Own barista, kind of that's their creamer. I'm going to top it with Kenzie's cranberry crunch. You'll see in a moment what I'm going to use those for. And I put a teaspoon of the 100% pure cranberry powder in here. So my secret recipe always has a little bit of pancake mix in there. So there's about a tablespoon of pancake mix in there, a teaspoon of the cranberry powder, a little bit of salt, some cinnamon, some eggs from the egg store out in Abbotsford. I'm going to mix it all up and, of course, dip it in the white sourdough. So stay tuned for the recipe as I go along. Love the slight pink hue. The smell of the cinnamon is incredible. So this is step one. So I'm going to do something interesting with the freeze-dried cranberries that have a little bit of cane sugar on them. I'm going to put them down on the hot pan first. And I'm going to take my bread, okay, and dip it in this beautiful mixture. Give it a little tap off. I'm going to place it right on top. So let's see how that works. So I've nestled the Kenzie's Cranberry Crunch freeze-dried cranberries underneath. And what I noticed right away is they started to soften up. So wait for part two. So what I've noticed is they've definitely softened back up. So they've absorbed some of the liquid from the French toast mixture, and they're getting these little crunchy bits. Of course, because it's Kenzie's Cranberry Crunch that are embedded into my French toast now. And now the final recipe is complete. So instead of putting maple syrup on today, I just topped it with a little bit of the cranberry sauce, the Bog's cranberry sauce. And I say this was 100% success. Anybody else think that looks like Kenzie back there, those two eyes and that little nose? Okay, that's it. Time for breakfast.